Hi guys, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will show you how to convert this Gucci Beauty cosmetic pouch for crossbody bag. This is velvet guys, and this is not for sale. You can buy in the Bay if you buy makeup or perfumes. So, or you can find this one in AB2. So this is brand new, and they have Gucci here. Gucci Beauty. Let's open it guys. Gucci Beauty tag. See, it's very nice guys. It's big. Okay, now before I do that, I show you my tools I need for this conversion. So I have my YouTube before about my how to convert the Louis Vuitton crossbody bag. So I bought this in Amazon, and you can use a screwdriver, and I have this the puncher. So you have to check what the size it's fit in this. So I need to punch this. I will make it sure that this one is fit here. See, it fits here guys, because this is too big. I have the roller here. Measure it 5 inches here. Yeah, before 5 guys. Now you have to punch it. This one here. Make it sure you put your puncher in the right way. This one is the one who fits this. Yeah. Okay, now guys, make sure that you will find the one that I put it there. It will cover anyway. Hard. Click. So okay, I think I got it guys. So the other one now. There you go. And you put this one here, this one inside the rivets. And then you lock this. And now I need this one to lock it inside guys. Make sure that you lock it over here. How to make it so tight, this one. Very tight guys. Okay guys, now the other one. Make sure guys you have to tie it very well. Okay, now I need to use this one. So guys, see? But you have to tie it very well, okay? So look at this. Look very nice guys. I will show you with the straps. Look at that guys. Isn't that cool? And now I will show you put the strap. I mean, what do you think guys? Isn't that in a crossbody now? Oh, so cool guys. And I have this one. Look at this guys. Isn't that nice? Okay, show you how it looks like guys when I'm using it. This is it guys. You can use this one too guys, to like pouch only, something like that. It's very useful if you have extra from your bag. Yeah, isn't that? So guys, you can wear this to like the pop. Something. Isn't that cool guys? My conversion. Hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Be kind. Bye. See you in my next one. I have giveaways for becoming 2,500 subscriber in my YouTube channel guys, and who share a lot and more subscribers for me, receive this brand new wallet from Kate Spade. Okay guys, hope you will share my video and more subscribe guys. And this one, look guys, it's so nice. You can open it more here. There you go. And there's a zipper here. You can put some coins. So help me guys reach more subscribers and you can receive this one. So message me or comment me and show me how many shares you have. So I will give it to you guys wherever you are in the world. I will send it to you. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hope you help me grow my channel guys. Thank you, and thank you for your subscription for me. And God bless.